Hey guys, today I will talk about silver, about the potential new sell-off after its strong rally. The price action signal had exhausted the buyers, so I'll talk about silver. Here's a risk disclaimer. Please read it before I will talk about silver. And very important, guys. On Friday, as you already know from my webinar, from my analysis, non-farm employment change better than expected, but worse compared to the previous reporting period. Unemployment rate, it has dropped. The unemployment rate dropped from 3.6 to 3.5, and average hourly earnings 0.3% growth as expected. And let's take a look here on silver. Today, it has dropped a little. It has closed below the former low, and right now a rebound, but maybe this could be only a temporary rebound to retest the order blocks, the resistance levels, to retest the supply zone, and then to turn to the downside. Right now, it has rebounded. It has rallied in the short term only because the dollar index retreated. But I've talked about the dollar index today in my market breakdown video for the VIP group, and I said that maybe the DXY's drop could be only a temporary one, and I said that personally I'm looking maybe for potential US dollar longs. So if the dollar index will develop a new bullish momentum, if the US dollar will appreciate, then maybe gold and silver could turn to the downside, could drop. Okay, so right now I'll wait for this rebound maybe to end, okay, to be over, to end, and then I will look maybe for potential shorts, okay, here on silver, because let's take a look on 4 hour, for example. A strong upwards movement. Okay, strong upwards movement, and after this amazing leg higher, swing higher, we cannot exclude a larger retreat. Okay, but right now, it has, or maybe as long as it stays above 24.644. It could continue to move sideways, and then it could extend its growth, but dropping and closing and stabilizing actually below it, making a new lower low, and actually making a very breakdown could signal a larger downside movement, larger correction. Okay, but right now this sideways movement could also represent an upside continuation pattern, but we have maybe something like this here, a range pattern, and personally I would like the price to escape from this pattern and then to take action. So I'll wait maybe for the price of silver to escape from this range to see if we'll have an upside continuation or false breakouts. For example, one moment, only retests here. If the price retest here, false breakouts could signal a potential downside movement, and then boom, breakdown and sell off, or here value breakdown and downside continuation. So I'll wait maybe for the price, because in the short term it could continue to move sideways, and it's really hard to catch something really good inside of this sideways movement. That's why I would like the price to escape from this range and then to go long or short. Okay, so this is my opinion about silver, but personally I'm looking maybe for potential trades, for potential maybe shorts, as long as it stays below the former highs, and after taking out, maybe after dropping and closing below the former low, but it has registered only a false breakdown here. But right now I'm still looking for maybe for potential shorts, only because I'm looking also for potential US dollar longs. Okay, guys, thank you, and I'll come back with my trade and with my setup into the VIP group. Okay, and maybe only retest, new false breakdowns here could bring us long opportunities, or a valid breakout here. Okay, so this is my opinion about silver. Don't forget that we'll have the consumer price index on the US consumer price index, the inflation data on Wednesday, and this is seen as a high impact event. Most likely will bring sharp movements. Risk disclaimer here: support, if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP group, okay, or you can use this link, learn to trade forex signals. Bye bye.